Presentation: discharge procedures of sewage into the sea from a ship by following the procession of Annex 4. Purpose of Annex 4. The purpose of MARPOL Annex 4, prevention of pollution by sewage from the ships, is to protect the marine environment and the public health by preventing pollution caused by sewage discharge from ships. It establishes international rules on the treatment, storage, and discharge of sewage to minimize harmful effects of marine ecosystem and coastal waters. Ang purpose of MARPOL Annex 4 ay protektahan ang dagat at kalusugan ng tao sa pamamagitan ng pagpigil sa polusyon mula sa sewage o dumi na galing sa barko. Naglagay ito ng mga patakaran kung paano dapat i-store, i-treat at i-discharge ang sewage upang maiwasan ang pinsala sa marine life coastal water.
Definition of terms: sewage and ship. Sewage is wastewater containing human waste and other liquid waste from toilets, sinks, bathrooms, and similar sources on a ship or on land. A ship is any vessel operating in the marine environment, including passenger ships, cargo ships, and offshore units covered by MARPOL. Holding tank and nearest land. A tank designed to collect and store sewage until it can be discharged legally or pumped ashore. The baseline from which the territorial sea of a country is measured. Sewage is dirty water from toilets, sinks, and bathroom on a ship. It contains human waste and other liquid waste. And ship is any vessel that travels on the sea. Ships must follow rules to help prevent ocean pollution. And holding tank. Holding tank is a tank that stores sewage until it can be disposed of safely and legally. The last is nearest land, means the closest coastline of a country. Ship must stay a certain distance away before they can discharge sewage.
Sewage treatment plant, or STP, an approved system that treats sewage to meet IMO standards before discharge. Application and exceptions. Application: ships of 400 tonnage GT and above must comply with Annex IV requirements. Ships less than 400 GT but certified to carry more than 15 persons. This also covered because they can carry many people. Ships engaged in international voyages required to follow Annex IV regulation during international travel. For exemptions, Annex does not apply to warships and government-owned ships used for non-commercial purposes. Sewage discharged solely for the purposes of securing the safety of the ship, saving life at sea. This is permitted in an emergency situation. Sewage discharge due to damage to the ship, provided all reasonable precautions were taken before and after incident. This is allowed if the discharge was unavoidable and proper precautions were taken.
Equipment and control of sewage discharge. Ship covered by Annex 4 must be equipped with one of the following: unapproved sewage treatment plus STPS, an approved sewage communicating and disinfecting system with a holding tank,
A sewage holding tank of efficient capacity of storing sewage until it can discharge legally or delivered of reception facility. Care in International Sewage Pollution Prevention ISPP certificate when required. Discharge procedure of sewage into the sea. Sewage may only discharge under the following conditions. Using approved sewage treatment plant (STP), treatment sewage may be discharged into the sea if the ship has a properly operating IMO approved STP and the discharging does not produce floating solids or discolor the water. When using a comminuting and districting system, sewage that has been comminuted drawn into the small particles and districted may be discharged only when the ship is more than 3 nautical miles from the nearest land. Special areas. In designated special areas, restricted discharge requirements may apply to further protect sensitive marine environments. Ship converted by Annex 4 must be equipped with one of following. This regulation ensures the control of sewage discharge into the sea depending on the installed system. Ships are permitted to discharge treatment sewage or retain it until they reach port receipt facility. Discharge produces sewage into the sea and the 3K condition to discharge. Speed and movement. The ship must be brought to processing at a speed of less 4 knots. Controlled flow. Sewage restored and holding tanks must be discharged and moderate regulate rate never all the once. Logbook. All discharges must be documented in the ship official record or logbook.
Sewage treatment plant. A sewage treatment plant treats sewage to remove harmful bacteria and pollutants. Must be approved according to IMO performance standard. Allows treated sewage to be discharged with minimal environmental impact. Requires regular inspection, maintenance, and proper operation to ensure compliance. Reception facilities. Ports and terminals must provide adequate reception facilities where ship can discharge sewage safely without causing delay. The purpose of reception facilities is to prevent live discharge of sewage into the sea, allow ship to empty their holding tanks before entering the environmentally sensitive areas, ensure sewage to treated properly on land in accordance with environmental regulation. Here is a sample of sewage treatment plant or STP. It is a system that cleans wastewater or sewage from the ship before it released into the sea. It removes harmful bacteria, dirt, and pollutants to protect the marine environment. Why is STP important? It removes harmful bacteria and pollutants. It helps keep the sea clean. It protects marine life and human health. It follows the IMO or International Marine Organization rules to prevent pollution.